Hey, good to see you. Welcome to our YouTube channel TechZone Info News. Latest Microsoft security update has ruined dual boot Windows and Linux. Microsoft's recent security update, intended to patch a 2-year-old vulnerability in the GRUB bootloader used by various Linux distributions, has inadvertently caused significant issues for users of dual boot Windows and Linux systems. Despite Microsoft's assurance that the update would not affect dual boot systems, many users have reported that their Linux installations are now failing to boot, displaying security policy violation and something has gone seriously wrong errors. This has affected a range of Linux distributions, including Ubuntu, Debian, Linux Mint, Zorin OS, and Puppy Linux. The update was meant to enhance security by blocking vulnerable Linux bootloaders that could potentially compromise Windows security. However, the unintended consequence has been the disruption of Linux booting on dual boot machines. Microsoft has not yet commented on the situation, but a workaround for Ubuntu users involves disabling Secure Boot in the BIOS and then manually deleting Microsoft's Secure Boot Advanced Targeting SBAT policy through the Ubuntu terminal. This incident highlights the complexities of maintaining security and compatibility in dual boot environments and underscores the importance of thorough testing and communication from software vendors when releasing updates that could impact a wide range of systems. That's all for now. We'll join you soon with new information. Bye-bye.